Alright. Excuse me, Matt. I'm for a run. As you do. As you do. Go for a run. But today, I'm going to be putting together this water barrel. And I'm going to try riding this guy. I'd like someone to show me, but I don't think it's that necessary. But the rain barrel, now that's going to be, it's a special job there. There's fixtures, pipes. Look at this, got a valve even, screws, plastic. Whew. You didn't think it'd be this much work, but it is. So, let's take a look. Let's see how it goes, okay? Excited? I am. There you go. Hopefully this is a good frame. You can see what the hell I'm doing. Because I don't know. There's a picture here. What? It's exciting so far. I'm a little excited to try that ride-on lawnmower. It's pretty funny. It's funny I even have one. Because you know how much I love mowing lawns. It's important that I have a ride-on lawnmower. Just do that forever. Ride on through line. Okay. Instructions, very important. Very important to read your instructions. Always read your instructions, people. Includes. That means included. These are all useless. They're all a different language. Hazards. Installation hazards. Drowning hazards. Well, if I can get it together, then I'll flip and needed. I need a slot head and Phillips crosshead screwdriver, a wrench, tape measure and marker, safety glasses, safety gloves, hacksaw, hammer, or chisel. Well, I don't have any of those things. What? Choose a location below a downspout for your rain barrel. The location must have level, firm ground. Paving stone can be used to provide stability. Avoid locations near ground level basements, windows, or window wells. Okay. So you can put some of those bricks down. You know what? Maybe this isn't that exciting. So far? Do you like this so far? Did it. Now what? Hold the nut in place with a wrench and hand tighten only. It only needs to be tight enough to prevent water leakage. Place the barrel inside the downspout. Make sure to allow enough room for the barrel lid and elbow spout. exciting. Did you enjoy watching that all unfold before your very eyes? A rain barrel. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And we're gonna mow all this today. I'm a little worried. Never used a ride-on lawnmower, but we're gonna use it. It's gonna be fantastic. John Deere, I know they're pretty good. A lot of things though. A lot of numbers, symbols, locks, rabbits and turtles, Rio. Like, what is actually going on? Who knows? Also, this hacksaw. Maybe I should hack all that wood out there like an absolute pimp. It's just so nice out, and I'm such a domesticated human being that I feel now I gotta like yard work. That's a Saturday, you know? There you go, Saturday, yard work day. Oh well. Such is life.